Creatrix founder, music lover sensation. Please join me.
Hi, Vanji. Join you. This is General Options. Let's see this.
I leave the house, I catch the bus and go to work the way I did before. The same routine, most every day except I guess I see my folks much more. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Hi, Vanji here, Creatrix founder, music lover sensation. Please join me.
Hi, Vanji. Joining you. This is General of Shades Music. Let's see this.
I leave the house, I catch the bus and go to work the way I did before. The same routine, every day except I guess I see my folks much more.
A year has passed. I thought by now that I could make a new life of my own. But habits are so hard to break. I think of you and I still ache. It takes too long to learn to live alone.
It's really bad when Friday comes because I know the weekend lies ahead. The walks we took, the football games, and when it rained, how late we stayed in bed.
I've done so much to change the house. The attic's full of memories I've known. And just when I turn out the light, I wait for you to say goodnight. It takes too long to learn to live alone. I go on dates, but when I do, I always find before the night is through, the same old thing. Behind my smile, I'm sitting there comparing her to you.
And again, it's always you. I feel it even more when I get home. I thought that I was free of you, but I was wrong. I never knew it takes too long to learn to live alone.
And in the end, it's always you. I feel it even more when I get home.
I thought that I was free of you, but I was wrong.
I never knew it takes too long
to
to learn to live alone. Alone.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Hi, Vanji here, Creatrice founder, Music Lovers Sensation. Please join me.
This is DJ Jem from Milan, Italy, joining you, madam.
Halos lahat ay nagtatanong noon sa aming bayan. Sa gitnang kanluran, bakit pinagmulan? Sila'y nalilito, ba't daw ako nagkaganito? Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam.
Subalit iniwan ko ang
Thanks for joining.
Bye, madam.
Hi, Vanji here. British founder, music lover, sensation. Requested song, I will try. Kinsamaan ko ang saba-saba dito sa may talamnanan. Ang turansoy na akong nadapang dinhi mo ko nalinagpang. Naghabot ang mga bisita sa barkada o sa inuman. Nilagpang nga turansoy among ginsumsuman. Nilagpang o naturansoy sa sabaw nagalangoy-langoy. Ginsaktan pagit sa ginamos inamalas di pagsangigo ang sili sang nakatinaw sampagin ang pinplada ko ginagpang naturasoy kanamit giglo pagpagkatapos na magkakabot linang pa o nakabati may nagatihaw nakasiyaw-siyaw kay ang bibig nakakit ng kapit ay nagkakabi ko kaluha na wala naman sila subo doon sa turaksoy na ang nalapang ang isang soma. Natural sa sabaw nadalang nilangon ginlaktan pagit sa ginamos pinamalaas hindi kagsagaan ko ang sili sa nakatinaw sa pagit ang tiglada ko nilagpang naturasoy kanamit dito ang nakatilaw isang pagkit ang templada mo nilang pang naturasoy kanamit dito. Thank you. Hi, Vanji here, British founder, music lover, sensation. Please join me.
Hey.
Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap